Where did you take me?
I don't know.
Where are we?
Gold Hill Inn. Beer garden.
This looks like the middle of nowhere to me.
So bring lots of bug spray.
But also, I'm just saying this, like, we could plan on this and do it, but maybe wait till, like, later September. Then it wouldn't be so bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, the weekend.
What are you doing?
It's good. This is salsa. Hello, balcony puppy.
Stop it. Go away.
Good filing cabinet. Hi everyone! Puppy, what did you do to the duck? What did you do to the duck? I'll see you in Switzerland, boy. Can't believe you've hiked with me like 3 times and you still don't have a shell. She also immediately goes for the most expensive one. Out of all this gear. This place is pretty cool. Mica has taken us to pick sunflowers. I found the perfect sunflower. Snip, snip. Oh. Every morning we come down here to get this coffee. Let's go. Mica. I'm just surrounded by flowers now, huh? Oh yeah? Oh yeah.
No, baby. It's okay.
Oh, baby. Oh, God. It's so light. This morning, Sasha and I are going to get good coffee because we're completely out and the machine is not working downstairs. Right? We need good coffee. So I just went and got a haircut, and I've never liked getting my hair cut. It's always a thing. Oh wow, the working cat. Hello.
Oh, happy.
Get out of That's right. Alright, so today is the fire sale. I am getting rid of so many things, and this really marks the beginning of the iPhone era for filmmaking for me. Like, I have shot with actual cameras for so long, but I have done the tests, and especially once I get the new iPhone, I feel pretty confident that I can shoot everything on it. Like, so apparently Denver has its own Taiwanese cultural center, and that's where I'm going to get my visa to visit. And I think I have to drop off my passport for like 2 weeks, and my trip is in 4 weeks, so cutting it close a little bit. I am editing the Peru video while watching Sasha on the sniff cam. She's at daycare.
So sorry about that.
Oh, there she is.
Here we are.
Got you. Thank you. Good girl. Let's go. Thank you. Yep. Let's go. Oh, baby. How was daycare? Did you have fun with the puppies? We were watching you. You're a good girl. I know. You had fun. You had fun with the puppies. You're a good girl. Let's go home. Let's go see Mama. Come on, Jeff. Do it. Come here, you can do it. Sasha, come here. Come. Come here, you can do it. Oh, that's a good girl. Wow, you're so Oh, it's so crisp. Free things, because that means you get free things.
Oh, we'll see if I will.
Not you, baby.
Look at
Ooh. I've got dibs on these. These look awesome. I like the blue. You look like a cop. Sit. Time for your brushing. Nice. What? How many jackets do you have?
A few.
This is our first cool, cold day in Denver.
It's cold today.
This is literally the first cold day. You've got 3 jackets. We're gonna go to Ashkara Israeli breakfast to get the shashuka. Then take her to the dog park in Boulder. Should be a nice one. Sasha, come! Go in the water! Go! She knows what to do. Trotting in the water like a horse. Wow. Which one do you want? Want your new toy? Yeah, you want that? Give her a blueberry. Oh. Mica's birthday week continues with a Colorado 6-mile hike with a puppy. Good girl. This is nice. Mica's birthday festivities continue. We're going to a cooking class.
You guys will rub that all over the top. Good?
North Face sent me a welcome to Denver package. Whoa. Every morning, Sasha sits out here on her porch and she spies and says hello to Yard Puppy. Yard Puppy's right there. Good morning, Yard Puppy. It's like just starting to not be unbearably hot here in Denver. Looking forward to fall.